In this chemistry, a diagrammatic representation for a type of defect is given. We need to name the defect. From this diagram, it is clear from the second row, one cation is missing, and from the third row, one anion, Y minus ion, is missing. So equal number of cation and anion are missing means this is Schottky defect. In Schottky defect, equal number of cations and anions will be missing from their lattice sites and create the vacancies. The total charge of the crystal in Schottky defect will remain unchanged because equal number of oppositely charged ions are missing. And these type of defects are typically found in ionic crystals such as sodium chloride. The presence of Schottky defect can affect the density and properties of the crystal material because when the ions are missing, the mass of the substance will decreases. We know the density is equal to mass by volume. So when mass is decreasing, the density of the crystal will also decreases.